Welcome to an episode of Represented. My name is Aries and together with someone in Ashken. Welcome to an episode of Represented. My name is Aries and together with someone in Ashken. Pega, nakot man nila. Nakot man. Umay ka malak.
Mina ngindoda enkulu kumele mangazile
Marumo pega. Ngicela utshala abantu bami i-question eyi-1 engithanda. Wena uphuzela nini?
Phuzela udaka obvious.
Uphuzela udaka
Sure.
Phela yikho uthi uphuzela ukujabula.
Phuzela udaka.
Uphuzela udaka. Bheka babulo. What's the one story ongasitshela wena ukuthi wena bokudakiwe ngawuthi uphuzela ukudaka ongayenza?
Ngingenza mengidakiwe.
Yeah, the wildest story ongayicabanga.
Wild.
Yeah, wild.
Awukulokha dog. Awukulokha. Ngidakwa kulokha. Ayikho enye.
So, man, since when I want to boost down, how much money have you spent on alcohol ngelanga?
Depend upon ukuthi ngiphuza.
Yeah,
Yakusha.
sure. So, mophuza utshwala
I'm saying yangilahla mfana.
strong.
Over.
Since when ngalokho ubambile.
Aba.
Ubambi kanjani?
Hey, ngizibela ndiyawuthiyama.
Hayi,
Lokhu ndiyawuthiyama amnandi.
very well. Welcome to another episode of Represented. My name is Aries. Thank you for the Hi. Don't tell about the man who's going to ban Kamala.
Oh, wait, before I tell them, can you see my shoes? Range Rover. Range Rover. Can you see the Range Rover? Okay, my name is the clown, the favorite MC, the host. Yeah, Izzy, just came in.
So the clown fair. Don't tell about the man who's going to put it
Okay, it is never very simple. I drink because I'm happy and I want to be happier.
You want to be happier.
Happier.
Okay, the clown fair. Sounds good on the MC. You want to be happy when you drink alcohol. Tell us, what's the wildest story the clown did?
Fuck, I want to show people my boobs because me chichi. I feel like I'm
The clown, thank you for taking an opportunity to talk with us. Thank you.
the clown. I'm traumatized. That's why.